The answer will be displayed 10 seconds after each question. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. Which of the following is not involved in the preparation of the budget? A. Finance of Ministry. B. Planning Commission. C. Controller and Auditor General. D. Finance Commission. Correct answer is D. Finance Commission. Which of the following feature of the Constitution of India resemble the American Constitution? A. A written constitution. B. Single citizenship. C. Integrated judiciary. D. Parliamentary form of government. Correct answer is A. A written constitution. When was the Constituent Assembly established to frame the Constitution of India? A. 6th of December 1946. B. 26th of November 1949. C. 26th of December 1949. D. 10th of June 1946. Correct answer is 6th of December 1946. Which one of the following committees examined and suggested financial sector reforms? A. Abid Hussain Committee. B. Bhagwati Committee. C. Cheliah Committee. D. Narasimham Committee. Correct answer is D. Narasimham Committee. Which one of the following was an associate state of India before becoming a full-fledged state? A. Mizoram. B. Meghalaya. C. Manipur. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is D. Sikkim. What is the maximum number of elected members in a state assembly? A. 250. B. 300. C. 600. D. 500. Correct answer is D. 500. Under whose ambit does the Inter-state Council Secretariat come? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Defence. C. Prime Minister's Office. D. National Development Council. Correct answer is A. Ministry of Home Affairs. In the individual Satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first Satyagrahi. Who was the second? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following British Prime Minister sent Cripps Mission to India? A. MacDonald. B. Baldwin. C. Chamberlain. D. Churchill. Correct answer is D. Churchill. Who among the following is hailed as the father of local self-government in India? A. Lord Mayo. B. Lord Ripon. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Lord Ripon. One of the following groups sought mere reforms in social, economic, and political life. A. The moderate congressman. B. The extremist congressman. C. The revolutionaries in India. D. The Swarajists. Correct answer is A. The moderate congressman. The state which has the largest number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha. A. Bihar. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. The conditions of service of members All India service are determined by A. President of India. B. Constitution of India. C. Parliament of India. D. UPSC. Correct answer is C. Parliament of India. Representatives of Union territories in Lok Sabha are chosen by A. Direct election. B. Indirect election. C. Nomination. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Direct election. The Family Code decides disputes relating A. Domestic violence. B. Marriage affairs. C. Property matters. D. Consumer affairs. Correct answer is B. Marriage affairs. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? A. Chief Justice of the High Court of the state. B. Governor of the state. C. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. D. Prime Minister of the country. Correct answer is B. Governor of the state. The 10th schedule added to the Constitution of India by the 52nd Amendment related to A. Anti-defection law. B. Land reforms. C. Panchayati Raj. D. Languages. One of the following states is not included in the Eastern Zonal Council. A. Bihar. B. Sikkim. C. Odisha. D. Paschim Banga. Correct answer is B. Sikkim. In India, the first municipal corporation was set up in which one among the following? A. Kolkata. B. Chennai. C. Mumbai. D. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Chennai. Which one of the following did India acquire from France? A. Yanam. B. Mahe. C. Karaikal. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. In which case did the Supreme Court give a ruling that the preamble was a part of the Constitution? A. Keshavananda Bhari case. B. Golkanath case. C. Belbari case. D. Sajjan Singh case. Correct answer is A. Keshavananda Bhari case. To have speedy justice flows from which of the following articles? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. D. Article 22. Correct answer is C. Article 21. The oath of office is administered to the members of the State Council of Ministers by A. The Governor. B. The Chief Minister. C. Chief Justice of the State High Court. D. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. Correct answer is A. The Governor. Generally, the Union territories are governed by A. Chief Minister. B. State Government. C. Local Government. D. Union Government. Correct answer is D. Union Government. Who has the authority to remove the Vice President from his office before the expiry of his term? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Parliament. D. Supreme Court. Correct answer is C. Parliament. Thank you friends for watching the video. Don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe for GK Frog for more general knowledge videos.